In today's video, I'll teach you how to create HP account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in account.hp.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of HP. You can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. Click on this option create account that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Enter your first name over here. Likewise, enter your last name. Now what you have to do is provide your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now enter your password over here. Make sure to create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must have minimum 8 characters and it must have 3 of the following: one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, one special character. So simply create the password accordingly. Now once you do that, you can check on this box if you would like to receive the email from HP. Now click on this option create that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply check your email for the verification code. Go to the new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. SP has sent me the email, simply click on it. Now in that particular email, you'll be able to see the option for verify over here. You can simply click on it, or you can also scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code, go back to the SP tab, enter the verification code over here. Now click on this option verify that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and you can see over here your HP account will be created. So that is how you create HP account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.